Good morning students, I am Varun Shukla from Oxford School of Education. I hope all is well. Today we are going to start term 2 and today we will discuss chapter number 4th, globalization and the Indian economic from economics. In this chapter we will discuss globalization, MNCs means multinational corporations, foreign investment, foreign trade, liberalization, World Trade Organization, most important topic WTO, factors which have helped in globalization. First, globalization. What is globalization? Globalization refers to the integration of the domestic economy with the economies of the world. Next, MNCs. An MNC is a company that owns and controls production in more than one nation. Next, foreign investment. Foreign investment is investment made by MNCs, means multinational corporations. Production across countries. What do you mean by production across countries? It means trade was the main channel connecting distant countries. Large companies, which are now called multinational corporations, MNCs, play a major role in trade. An MNC is a company that owns or controls production in more than one nation. MNCs set up offices and factories for production in a region where they can get cheap labor and other resources so that the company can earn greater profits. Interlinking production across countries. The money that is spent to buy assets such as land, buildings, machines and other equipments is called investment. An investment made by MNCs is called foreign investment. MNCs are exerting a strong influence on production at these distant locations. As a result, production in these widely dispersed locations is getting interlinked. Next topic from this chapter, foreign trade and integration of markets. Foreign trade creates an opportunities for the producer to reach beyond the domestic markets. Producer can sell their products not only in markets located within the country but can also compete in markets located in other countries of the world. Similarly, buyers have the option to choose among various goods beyond the domestically produced goods. Thus, foreign trade results in connecting the markets or integration of market in different countries. Foreign trade, most important topic of this chapter, foreign trade. Advantages of foreign trade, import and export. Foreign trade has facilitated the travel of goods from one market to another. Next point, it provides a choice of goods to the buyers. Next, producers of different countries have to compete in different markets. Next point, prices of similar goods in two markets in two different countries become almost equal. Next, Cs or special economic zones. Special economic zones are the industrial zones being set up by the central and state governments in different parts of the country. SEZs are to have world-class facilities such as electricity, water, roads, transport, storage, recreational and educational facilities. Companies who set up production units in these are exempted from taxes for an initial period of 5 years. These thus help to attract foreign companies to invest in India. Reason to put barrier on foreign trade. The Indian government after independence had put barrier to foreign trade and investment. This was done to protect the producer within the country from foreign competition. Industries were just coming up in the 1950s and 1960s, and competition from imports at that stage would not have allowed these industries to develop and grow. Imports of only essential items such as machinery, fertilizer, petroleum, etc. was allowed. Next point, to protect the Indian economy from foreign infiltration in industries affecting the economic growth of the country as planned. India wanted to move faster to catch up with the main industries in the world market, and therefore had to keep an extra watch on its progress in international trade and give incentives to the more rapidly growing industries through fiscal, traffic and other means. Around 1991, some changes were made in policy by the Indian government, as it was decided that the time had come for Indian producer to compete with foreign producer. This would not only help the Indian producer to improve their performance, but also improve their quality. And next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.